When doing research for this video, I saw videos ranging from AI art is the end of all artists to how to use AI art to make money. There's a huge polarization here. No one knows what to think. We have no idea how this AI thing is going to change our future, so obviously we speculate. But instead of creating a video focused on asking what if for a future that doesn't exist, and upsetting ourselves, or me, I decided to create a practical video on how you as an artist can use AI art right now. Using AI art for motivation, for creativity, and idea generation. So with AI art, we can see things that we've never seen before. It's like an alien from another world decided to come here and start interpreting humanity through imagery. I mean, some of these generated images are just darn weird, but some of them are absolutely breathtaking. But the majority of them seem generated with zero influence from the human race. It's like giving a newborn baby the knowledge of all the images in the world and then seeing what their dreams look like after they go through all those images. It's an interpretation of humanity with a complete detachment from everything that makes us human. How could we not take advantage of this new perspective? I'm seeing this AI art thing as a new movement in art, like Impressionism was. We have a new view of our world. We have a new lens to look through at our world. It's like discovering a new primary color. Okay, well, it's not as groundbreaking as that, but I think you get my point, right? So I discovered AI art in August this year. Maybe I'm late to the game, I don't know, and I really don't care. But what I do know is that before I jumped on Midjourney and started generating art, I had no idea what I was going to paint next. And then afterwards, I had a folder full of imagery that was sparking creativity and motivation in me like nothing else. Of course, none of those images are perfect. They're not finished pieces. In fact, I wouldn't dare transfer any one of these images directly to a canvas and calling it my own without editing it first. No, I mean, this AI art stuff, it needs human influence. I treat it like a conversation through imagery with a being from another world. I would generate an image and then download it, put it in Krita, make some of my adjustments, and then re-upload it back to Midjourney and say, hey, what do you think about my changes? It was a collaboration between me and a robot. Here's one of the paintings that I came up with. I would never have painted something like this before, but AI inspired me to go down a road that I've never tried. I learned a ton from this painting. I'll probably not paint anything like it again, but with it I experienced a freedom that I've never experienced before. As an artist, I'm kind of locked into this real world and reproducing reality to some extent. And AI helped me break out of this rigidity of thinking. I could do these strange swirls and action, and it was okay. Yes, I know that there's all kinds of abstraction out there already, but maybe I'm a slow learner. So I continue to use AI. When I'm looking for something I've never seen before or a new take on something done millions of times over, I'll jump onto Midjourney and see what it comes up with. Maybe it'll come up with something good. And sometimes the result is inspiring, and sometimes it's a repeat of what I've already seen. But almost always there is a small part of the image generated that I can use to enhance what I'm working on already. I didn't get this epic landscape of mountains and everything that I wanted, all perfectly packaged and ready to print out or whatever, but the snowy landscape and how the light played over it subtly was fantastic. In 1839, the first widely available photographic process was made public by Louis Daguerre, which caused, obviously, an uproar in the art world. Because now that the photograph could depict life more accurately and faster, the artists at that time had to reinvent themselves. Artists shifted from trying to depict reality and into portraying emotions and impressions. When a machine could do it faster and better than we could, we changed course and doubled down on our humanity. Instead of trying to paint a sunset perfectly accurately, Claude Monet asked, "What is the emotion that I feel when looking at this sunset? And how can I paint that?" We're at a wonderful time in art history right now. I say we embrace AI art and use it as a tool. Just like all the digital artists making the majority of our entertainment have used Google, Pinterest, SketchUp, Mudbox, photo bashing, 3D programs, Maya, whatever, to create some of the most breathtaking images we've ever seen. Just like that, we can use AI to further enhance our own creativity, our own imagination, our own style. Just like we enhance our art from stealing from contemporary artists, our artists throughout history. We steal some ingredients from others and put them inside of our melting pot, along with our influence, and stir up a concoction that is all our own, and we present that to the world. But, and this is a big but, just like you wouldn't plagiarize Da Vinci by repainting the Mona Lisa and calling it your own, don't take the lowly and despicable route of generating something that looks just like an artist you admire and call it your own. By doing that, you've become a cog in the wheel and have given up your humanity for the base urge of monetary or social gain. Use AI art. Use it ethically, and use it to further what makes us human. Because like Adam Duff said, it's the human behind the art, and it's the human that makes the art precious. It's the person behind the art that is imperative. So these are my thoughts, and hopefully they were insightful and provoked you to think a bit about AI art and maybe rethink AI art. There are other artists I admire like Jake Parker and Adam Duff who have videos, wonderful videos about the subject as well, and I've linked them below. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any questions, if you have any comments, please let me know in the comments below or at my website at chrisbevan.com. You can use the contact form. Anybody that contacts me, I respond to them personally. If you found this video interesting, please like, please subscribe. Have a wonderful week.